He was one of the Rajput kings who never bowed down in front of anyone and created his own space in the history. He collaborated with the Marathas and defeated the Mughals. He supported Ishwari Singh and made him the king, and also destroyed enemies as he took sword.
महाराजा सूरजमल उत्तर भारत का सबसे शक्तिशाली महाराजा था.
Surajmal was the strongest king among all in northern India. In 1763, he invaded Mughals in Delhi and sent his son Jawahar Singh to handle a war front in Farrukhnagar, and he himself marched towards Delhi. He halted with his army at Hindon River near Shahadra and fought an impressive battle during the first 2 days with the Mughals.
दिल्ली के शासक के खिलाफ युद्ध के लिए उन्होंने अपनी व्यूह रचना प्रारंभ की. पहले दिन युद्ध हुआ जिसमें जाट सेना ने मुगलों के छक्के छोड़ा दिए.
257th Balidan Divas of Maharaja Surajmal is observed on 25th of December. He was born on 13th of February 1707, the same day when Aurangzeb died. Surajmal inherited War state from his father Badan Singh. Surajmal attacked Sogariya's Fatehgiri in 1733 and also defeated it. Thereafter, in 1743, he laid the foundation of Bharatpur Nagar at the same place and started living there from 1753 onwards. He was only Surajmal who got invincible Lohagarh fort constructed. The Britishers attacked the fort for 13 times but could not win, as its walls made of soil were so thick that cannons could not destroy them. It is believed that it is the only fort of India that always remained invincible.
भरतपुर राज परिवार के सामने सबसे पहला प्रश्न ये आया कि महाराजा सूरजमल का बलिदान का बदला लिया जाए.
Many historians say that as Maharaja was planning further, he was killed by Saifuddin near the Hindon River. How to revenge the killing of the Maharaja was an important question that the Bharatpur royal family was to address after his death. Saifuddin was to be told that the Jats would in any case revenge the death of the Maharaja. Jawahar Singh started moving towards Delhi with his army and confronted Mughals in front of the Red Fort. Red Fort is a strong fort. The enemy got scared and shut the doors of the fort and hid inside it. The delegate was so strong and had sharp nails on it that elephants of the Jawahar Singh would get injured while attempting to break it. Then Bharatpur's Pakudiya stood in front of it and asked the army to hit it. The Bharatpur army entered the fort and won it.
और दिल्ली का दरवाजा टूट गया और भरतपुर की वीर सेना लाल किले के अंदर घुस गई, मार काट की और उसको फतेह कर दिया.
It is said that Surajmal had a good friendship with Maharaj Jai Singh of Jaipur. Maharaj Jai Singh's sons Ishwari Singh and Madho Singh started fighting for power after his death, following which Udaipur's Maharana Jagat Singh's younger son supported Madho Singh. The moment Surajmal got to know about it, he announced his support to the elder son of Maharaja Jai Singh, Ishwari Singh. There was a war and Ishwari Singh won with the support of Surajmal. Afterwards, the whole country came to know about Surajmal Singh.
चित्तौड़गढ़ का बुलंद दरवाजा.
The Buland Darwaja, which was brought in from Chittaugarh to Delhi by Alauddin Khilji after Padmini's Johar, was fixed there. The army of Maharaja Jawahar Singh brought the gate to Bharatpur as a victory monument. It is fixed at the entry in the north in Bharatpur till date. The gate is standing tall and telling stories of bravery and pride of the Rajputs. Balidan Divas, sacrifice day, the Mughals would tremble in fear when they see Maharaja Surajmal and would say that Allah save us from his attack this time around.
Historians say that Maharaja Surajmal fought 80 wars and won all. Jat power was at its prime during his time, but the Black Day of 25th of December 1763 also came when he died fighting Nawab Najibuddollah near the Hindon River. Maharaja Surajmal will always be remembered in the history of India as a warrior who never compromised with his own conditions. An ETV Bharat report.